show you how to create an account and how to install the first extension basically, or let me call it an onboarding video. Now you have to go to TestBrick /auth/login, because if you just go to TestBrick for now, the website is still under development, so you don't have that much navigation. So just go to TestBrick /auth/login. Right. Now the next thing you need to do is you can use this two button. You can log in with your Google or your GitHub. I'm going to use my Google here because this account doesn't have a GitHub. So I'm just going to click on it, continue, and I'm going to get redirected to TestBrick dashboard. Right. So just before it to load, that's taking me to TestBrick dashboard. Now, once you get to this dashboard, this particular block would load, or this modal will load. This basically shows you how to create your first project, install your first extension, and record your first block. Now I'm going to call this test break submission test break test. Basically, I'm going to call it test break test. Then I'm going to get my base URL. I want to test testbrick.com, pass in my base URL and click on continue. Then it's going to create my first project for me. Right in the background, it's trying to get the project. Then you have to install the extension. So just click on install extension. It'll take you to Google extension. Just let it load, and once it loads, all you have to do is add to Chrome. Once you add to Chrome, you would make sure it's added to Chrome already. And one of the trick you can do is click on this button here and pin it, basically, so you can easily access it. The next thing, you go back, and to check if to allow the website get to know that you've actually installed the browser extension, click on I've installed it. It checks it, and yes, it's sure that you've installed it. Then if you don't install it, it's not take you to this particular next step. The next step is to create your first test. Now I'm going to create my first test and say it basically created my first test basically for you. But to create a test under a folder, you basically say you can create a test, call it test submission. So this is how to create a test, but that particular wizard actually showed you how to create your first test basically. So you can click on this and it will show you. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to be running you through some of the buttons that are available on TestBrick.